As you can see, we've got Nuno on the side here, ready to support us. Put her away. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got SGL Dev Engine loaded as a project. I'm working on SGL MonsterCoder, obviously. That's SGL Dev Engine loaded in the side there. So if we pop back over to MonsterCoder, we can check our Explorer tab over there, and I've opened up a couple of documents here. You guys can grab SGL Dev Engine on GitHub. It is there. All these files exactly as they are, just not in test build because I'm obviously using this for testing the project and making sure that everything works. So you guys are more than welcome to go and grab that off GitHub, link in the description below. Anyway, back to MonsterCoder. So what I've got here is I have gone down to my 3D screen at the bottom here, my 3D visual software city, and I've just detached it into a window, and I've just put it on the side of my desktop over there. Okay, and just to show you guys, we are running on 4.5 gigs of RAM, cruising up to 5. But project's pretty much loaded. It's just rendering. Okay, and it has loaded SGL Dev Engine here as we want it to. We can zoom in there. Okay, so if we can get it to stay there. Not really too much of a phase right now. The biggest part is I have got my editor screen working now. After a little bit of thinking and seeing where I went wrong, which was pretty much centralizing the workspace and getting everything to read off one workspace. So over here, I've opened up a few documents, as you can see, and we are just going to cycle through them. And as we cycle through them, you're going to see our position in the visual runtime start changing as we focus in on different pieces of the document. So change the view here, but give it a more centralized structure. Okay, and let's test cycling through. Any change besides dropping down into the document the whole time? No, we're still looking at the same place. So that'll be my next task to focus on, is getting it to precisely zoom in on the document that you've selected, so that when you select a document, it opens up that specific blueprint node. and then you will be able to open up a editor window on that in the visual runtime. Obviously, I'm going to need to scale this down a bit, see exactly what's going on. Anyway, thank you guys for bearing with me and watching. I hope the music doesn't kill it too much. I do try and turn it down as much as possible. It is free music added from YouTube, but sometimes it does, even on most minimal, kill any other volume that's played with it. So if it does kill my voice, I really don't mind because I don't like my voice, and it's all about the tech anyway. Anyway, thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed. This is just another video demo on exactly what MonsterCoder is as I build it, and I will take you through everything as I go through and what I'm doing. As I say, code's up for SGL-DEVENGINE and a couple of the other projects. It is not up for MonsterCoder. Yeah, that's my baby, and I'm busy working on it. but I've put in a lot of time and a lot of effort and a lot of hours and coded a lot of it manually by hand. So yeah, it is my pet project, and yeah, you can follow the progress along, but there are source code projects for others available. Go now. Yeah, discovered another bug. It's a bit weird.